does turn have so many meanings? One word, 100 problems. But relax. Today, we'll make turn phrasal verbs easy, fun, and unforgettable. Welcome back to ESC Speaking and Conversation. Let's get started. One turn on meaning. To switch something on or to make someone feel excited or interested. Examples. Please turn on the lights, it's too dark. His confidence really turns people on. Yes, context matters here. 2. Turn off. Meaning. To switch something off or to make someone lose interest. Examples. Don't forget to turn off the TV. Rude behaviour really turns me off. Instant mood killer. 3. Turn out. Meaning. To end in a particular way or to be discovered. Examples. The party turned out amazing. He turned out to be the manager. Plot twist. 4. Turn down. Meaning. To refuse something or reduce the volume. Examples. She turned down the job offer. Can you turn down the music? Not everyone loves loud music at midnight. 5. Turn over. Meaning, to flip something or transfer control. Examples. Turn over the page, please. The company was turned over to new management. New chapter, literally and figuratively. 6. Turn around. Meaning, to change direction or improve a bad situation. Examples. Turn around, you missed the exit. She turned her life around. Comebacks are powerful. 7. Turn away. Meaning, to refuse entry or reject someone. Examples. They turned away late customers. He was turned away at the door. That hurts. 8. Turn into. Meaning, to become something else. Examples. The caterpillar turned into a butterfly. His hobby turned into a business. Glow up moment. 9. Turn against. Meaning, to stop supporting someone and oppose them. Examples. His friends turned against him. Public opinion turned against the policy. That escalated quickly. Turn in. Meaning, to submit something or go to bed. Examples. Please turn in your assignment. I'm tired. I'll turn in early. Same here. Turn up. Meaning, to appear unexpectedly or increase volume. Examples. He turned up late again. Turn up the volume. He always turns up late. Turn upside down. Meaning, to make something chaotic or completely change it. Examples. The kids turned the house upside down. The news turned my life upside down. Total chaos. Now it's your turn. Write one sentence using any turn phrasal verb in the comments. Like, share and subscribe to ESC Speaking and Conversation. And remember, don't let phrasal verbs turn you off. Let them turn you into a confident English speaker. See you in the next video.